wish I will also have
You wish you will have what?
I also have a job or something, or accumulated skill. This is black one.
Yeah, super black. Not like Rosalind black, real black, like Alex the Nigerian.
But Alex the Nigerian is more black than him.
Yeah.
You know, when I was a child, I want to become a nun or a preacher. Madre. You know what is madre?
Mother?
No.
Ina?
The madre here is madre, and padre here is a nun. You know, the Catholic nun, like that.
Monja.
Monja. You call her madre. You the madre, oh, like that.
Madre means Ina. Madre, padre, mother, father. And in Mexico, I'm not sure if in other Spanish-speaking places, the priest.
Move on the side, the other side, other lane.
The priest is called cura. The cure. It's kind of weird. Like, what are you curing? Some disease? But like the official title, I guess, is padre. But like the nickname is cura. Yeah. In English, you can hear it sometimes among the Catholics. They call their priest father. You know? You've heard it maybe? So I guess a nun is as close as a woman can get to being a priest. So I guess it kind of makes sense that you call her madre. Because if the priest is your father, your padre, so then the nun is your mother, your madre.
And move on the other lane.
There's people parked there most of the time. And then I just have to get back over here. go to Rachel. Love you.
The truck will be going out just for a while. You can here a little, yes.
Ay, ano ba yun? Why, what they're telling you?
The truck will be going out. You can just a little yes.
What? What? Dracul is going
That
out?
truck over there,
Oh.
the man in the blue shirt. The truck will be going out. You can little yes.
Oh, wait, you cannot go around, turn around?
Yeah, I'll go make a U-turn using this. Can you?
This one, no?
A 3-point turn, not a U-turn exactly. That's what they call it in driving school. When you do like this and then you go in reverse. Because a U-turn you don't need to go in reverse.
The truck will going out and you move
You
yes.
little yes. Because I moved my hand like this.
Yes.
So that's why he said yes. He wanted me to move a little closer to the vegetables. But then there was no need as you came.
Yeah. A little yes. Yeah, they put it in a carton, a big carton.
Your dad?
He did not tie it, but he put it in a carton.
Papa. 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 I can't see around. Can you go in front of the taxi? Wait till we go behind the taxi. They're beeping at me because I can't go if it's not safe.
Wait.
Yeah, see? That's why I'm not going. There's people behind me honking at me. Beep, beep, beep.
You honk them beep like that. Beep. I cannot get your apple, anak ko. Ah, ba. Baba.
Is there any parking around here? I saw a shop just there that sells the deep plastic bathtub thing.
Ouch.
I don't know how to go there. Park somewhere and walk a long distance.
A deep bathtub.
Yeah, like what Alex and Joaquin like to use for bath.
Oh. Planggana.
The bigger, more deep. It's a general merchandise, and I had a lot of.
You can go here, to the street. Going to straight in the center mall. You remember the massage person? The one who massaged you? There. Let's see if there's a parking over there.
Yep.
No, do not, just stay here.
This is the left turn only lane.
Oh,
See?
oh, okay. So you have to be in the middle. Go in the middle now. Yeah, taxis are dropping and picking up passengers because there are bus here. Van and bus. Bus. I say bus. Bus. Bus.
In Spanish, they say autobus.
Autobus. Bus.
Autobus, but with a Spanish accent. Autobus. Or they can shorten it sometimes. Bus.
Let's go and check where's the parking over here. Where are the people here? That one. Oh, you stop here. And let's ask that person, the green one. When, sir? Okay.
Ay, pati na susin no panawan ha?
Yes, sir.
Backward.
And In front of the red.
He said leave the keys.
Yeah.
Something about sushi.
Basta ibati na susi no panawan na.
Basta. It's enough. It's enough to leave the keys.
Okay, go. Basta yan. Sige.